we are in Florida. We're in Florida. We're gonna be doing some bass fishing. The pond is right in front of me. We got a lot of places we can fish today. So we're gonna go out there and see what we can catch. All right, y'all. We are here. We are here at the pond. We do gotta look out for alligators. Let's start off by, I guess, covering some water. A ton of bait. Ooh, there we go.
Somebody knows how to catch him.
Yeah. There we go. That's the first fish of the day.
Little guy.
Hey, he's really fat though.
Yeah.
Not a bad one though. Get him back. Ooh, there we go.
Are you on your bed?
Holy cow, I got a nice one on. This is a big one. Holy cow. I got a scale too, this thing's huge. Whew.
That's a good catch.
Oh yeah.
Great.
Holy cow. Holy. Look at that. Holy cow. See? Swam right off. Oh wait, I got another one. Hold up. I got another one. I got another big one on the phone. Dude, this is insane. Hold up. I got another good one. I just got another 3-pounder. Hold up. Hold up. Oh, let's go. I got a 3-pounder. There's another good one. Let's get him back. Alright, so first spot went pretty good. Fished there for about 30 to 45 minutes. Caught 3 fish, one including like a 5-6 pounder. Whatever the weight was, I'll have to go back and look on the scale, but it was a really good fish. I wasn't expecting to catch that good of a fish that quick. I mean, I knew that we might get on one, but I didn't think it was gonna be that quick. We're gonna move to the next spot. I don't know where we're going. I'm gonna look to see where the next public pond is, so yeah, see you there. There we go. A little bass. Let's get him back. This is crazy. This is insane. Pretty much fishing at a castle right now. There we go, guys. Finally got one. He's tiny though. Tiny little guy. Full tiny little bass. There we go, y'all. It's a good fish. It's a good bass. Let's go. Come here, son. Get him up here. Let's go. There we go, y'all. Good fish right here. There we go, y'all. Good fish. Let's get him back. Okay, now we're on the other side of that pond. We're just gonna come down to this corner over here. It's crazy, this is the same part of the lake, but it looks way different. It looks way deeper here. Here. There's a dead Placo. Nice one, big one. Big one. Dude. Good one. Holy cow. Dude, this is so insane, dude. They is so insane. Oh yeah. Holy cow. Got like a 2.5 pounder, but he is so long. Dude, this is so cool. Alright, y'all, about a 2-3 pounder right here. Let's send him back. Make sure there's no gators in the area. So cool. So cool. We are catching him. And I'm about to go get another soft plastic because he took mine. So, see you in a minute. Another Placo. Lots and lots of Placo. If I had one more giant, dude, that would be insane. Holy cow. Holy cow. Oh shoot. God. The Florida's insane. Dude, Florida is insane. Holy cow. Alright. Probably like a 4-pounder. 5'3". There we go, guys. 5'3" right there. Get a 5'3". Let's get him back. There you go. Good one. Let's get back. What a fun time. I ran out of memory on my GoPro. I ran out of freaking battery and stuff. And it is hot now. But dang, what a day we had. First time ever bass fishing in Florida. We caught like that one really good one at the start. I'll have to go and look what his exact weight was. Then we caught that 5 whatever there at the end. Handful of like 2-3 pounders, like good sized fish. We only caught like, I think 2 small ones, but like that's still a really good day. We had a really good day, and yeah, maybe I'll come back out tomorrow. This video is gonna end here, and hopefully, you know, there'll be a video tomorrow. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe on the video if you want to see more content like this. So thank you. Bye.